Hey everyone. Boy, why are you so bad? Is it because you have cute feet? Is that why you're so bad? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another lip swatch video. I'm going to be trying out some Kiss lipsticks for you. I also want to say I'm living for my blue fantasy. I wish that I hadn't painted my nails red because then it would all go together, but just pretend that these aren't here. I don't know why I'm doing this wiggle, but if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. I don't know if that word came out right, and hitting the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. I have just a nice lip balm on right now, so we're gonna get into these lipsticks. Kiss sent me this huge big box of all of these lipsticks. There's 24 here, so they're divided up into two different formulas. So I'm gonna be doing two videos for this. So this video is going to be featuring the satin lipsticks, and the next one is going to be featuring the matte lipsticks. So stay tuned for the matte video. That one's going to be my next video up. So these are the Lucious Shine gel lipsticks. I'm having some issues today speaking, I think. They're a wax-free formula, they're highly pigmented, and they're a gel formula. They're supposed to be super moisturizing and feel like a feather on your lips, super weightless. These are available at Rexall and London Drugs and wherever Kiss is carried close to you. There are currently 12 shades of the Luscious Shine. There are also 12 of the matte, so again, stay tuned for that, and they retail for $6.99 Canadian. So without further ado, let's start putting them on my lips, shall we? Okay. First up is Sandy Seashore. It's like a tongue twister. I'm really having issues. So, okay, these do glide on so easily. It's like one swipe full of pigment. I was kind of concerned about the roundness of the bullet of this. Typically, it almost comes to a point, and that allows you to really get precise with your lip line. But this was so easy to glide on. It's a nice kind of light yellow tony kind of pink. It has a hint of coral to it. So that's Sandy Seashore. Ay, ay, ay. Here we have Mocha Shake. I really love this color. I love this nude for me. It's kind of that it's really hard to find a nude shade because I am so fair, and I find that a lot of the times they go either orangey or just very strange, but this is kind of that perfect color where it has a little hint of a pink in it almost, but it's so polite. What do you guys think? Ooh, I like this color. Ooh, I like this. What was this? Mocha Shake. I will be wearing this one again, definitely. Ooh. Here is Callie Rose. This is a medium pink, but it is bright. This guy, it's bright. I actually don't mind this for a pink. Typically, I'm not the biggest kind of bright pink fan, but this is actually quite nice, and I feel it's going with the blue very well. I feel I'm having a gender reveal party. Ooh, this is a lipstick I would wear for that. Yes, and then I'd force my daughter to be a ballerina because that's just it's so cool. This guy is Pink Julie, and I really like this pink as well. Do you think it's maybe the makeup I have on and I'm just feeling pinks for today? Typically I'm not the biggest pink person, but this is gorgeous. And it has a nice hint of a blue undertone to it. It's making my teeth look a little whiter than I think that they actually are, because like I mentioned, I need to whiten my teeth. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Ooh. This one is Tarot Gets Sexier. I love this shade. This is my favorite so far. You know I love these kind of purpley, mauvey, dusty kind of colors. This is right up my alley. This is Bailey's jam. This is my favorite thing. What do you guys think? I love this color. Oh damn. They're so soft on the lip. It's crazy. They're so moisturizing. Oh. This guy is Brooklyn Brick. I would say that this is like, it's like a plummy color, and it's quite like nice actually. I really like the hue to it. It's a little bit more on like the raspberry-ish side, and I'm digging that. Here is Incomparably Hot. I first read it as In Company Hot, and I was like, oh, what's that? Incomparably Hot. That's just such a strange name for a lipstick. This lipstick is bright. This is very, very bright. See, this is the type of color I don't typically go for, but once it's on, I don't mind. But this shit's bright, and I feel like my teeth look really yellow. But you know, to each their own. Here we have Apple Tea. This is bright as all hell. And apple tea, that sounds good. I want some apple tea. Seriously. Not what I necessarily would think that this lipstick would be called, but you know, whatever. Very bright. It actually has a nice kind of like bluey hue to it, so my teeth do look white. So if you're into pink lipsticks and don't want your chompers to look yellow, this would be a really great lipstick. Ooh. This guy is Troublemaker. This color is so gorgeous. This is such a beautiful red. You guys, I'm living. It's like pure like cherries, like it's on my teeth. Ugh, I don't even know what I was saying. My mind went blank because it's so beautiful. I love this color of red. It's so gorgeous. It's not like too deep, and I feel like it's kind of like a hint of raspberry as well. Ooh, girl. I love that. Hello. I feel like I'm literally living my like, not 90s, 80s fantasy right now. I don't know my decades. This guy is called Red Devil. I'm not really sure how to describe this color. It's like a tomato red. I find it to be more muted than the previous, what was that called? Troublemaker. It's like a little bit more of a, I feel like, wearable red. If you're like new to the red game, this would be a great one for you. Ooh, what was this? I thought it was called Tomato Red. Red Devil. Ooh. This guy is called Stunning Elsa, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I was like, this seems like a little odd. Like this, it's the only one with like a shimmer in it. It's the only one that is this strange kind of funky color, but I don't mind it. It's like a purple hue with like a blue, like iridescent micro shimmer in there, and it's not bad. I like really loaded it up, but you could also do like just like a thin swat, like, you know, application on your lips and kind of like buff it out to be more of like a hue, like a tint on your lip. I don't mind it. I think I would need like a specific look on the eyes with it, but yeah, Stunning Elsa. I've actually never seen Frozen. I started watching it once and I was like, I'd rather watch Cinderella. I should probably watch it. I'm such a bad Disney fan. Ooh. In the tube, it looks like something completely different than what it looks like on my lips. Like on my lips, it's like a nice rosy hue. Alrighty, this guy is Christmas Flip. What this lipstick has to do with the name, I'm not sure, but this is kind of like a medium tone, quite a cool tone pink, and I really don't mind this pink either. Today I'm on the pink train, you guys. I don't understand the name Christmas Flip. I'm reading it right. Maybe they're trying to think of like May 26th, this is what you'd wear. Not sure. It's going with the blue. I quite like that. What do you think? Do we like me in a pink? Maybe 2019 is the year of the pink for me. Oh, they're so smooth. Alright guys, those are all 12 of the lipstick shades swatched for you guys. What are your thoughts? Are there some favorite lipstick shades that you guys found here? I'm actually really liking this Christmas flip. I'm gonna keep this on my mouth. Typically I'll put on like one of my favorite lipsticks when I do my like outro, but I'm just gonna keep this one on because I'm living for this shade. I really like how smooth these go on. I really like the shape of the actual bullet of the lipstick. It's really easy to define like the contours of your lips, at least for me anyway, but you know, to each their own. Everyone's a little different, but I really liked how simple it was to apply lipstick because not everyone has the time to be so precise, so it's nice to have lipstick that you can just throw on and know that the bullet is actually working in your favor. I really like the gel formula. It does feel really lightweight. I don't feel like I have a lot of like crap like build up on my lips. They're smooth, they're hydrating, they're moisturizing. I really like these lipsticks. I probably would recommend a lip liner. I don't know how they would feather, but like they do transfer clearly because they are a Luscious Shine Lipstick. So be aware, do your thing, figure it out for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I'm also swatching the matte shades, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.